big engine's burning, it's smoke in the wind, starts turning again, and the sky's the color of fire. A lightning bolt flash with the flip of a switch, the flick of a wrist, all the dead, they've come back to life. It's the soul of the heaviest nights, in the eyes of the minds, all the filaments light as the moon casts its spell from on high. Turns the wheels, pushing steam, pulls the weight of your dreams, the weight of your dreams. You're given to rise. The heat from the streets up in spirals of white, in tendrils of fog, and the air looks like something to touch. As the forms float adrift up in columns of clouds, the sirens and sounds, all the phantoms still hanging around. It's the bird flying low in between, all the concrete and steel, here the artifice meets. There are stones, some imagined, some real. Hefted high on the backs is a future revealed, a future revealed, and given to rise. Staring out from such dizzying heights, all the skyscrapers towering muscle and might, the embrace of the mortar and clay, with the years and the rain slowly washing away, we're washing away what's given to rise. Big engine's burning, it's smoke in the wind, starts turning again, and the sky's the color of fire.